Good morning. Beautiful day in Glasgow.
In case you're new here, we're Drew and Isabel. Just 8 months ago, we started sharing our world travels on YouTube, and it's been a crazy ride to say the least. After spending the past 2 months tuk-tuking around Sri Lanka and trekking in the Himalayas, we're officially back in Europe for the summer and have just spent the past 2 weeks in Glasgow's West End, pet-sitting Miss Siobhan and catching up on a lot of work. Today's our last day in Glasgow after spending an incredible 2 weeks here in the West End, but we haven't actually done the things in Glasgow Central. So we're gonna head down. We have a jam-packed day today. Shiv's parents are back home, so Drew and I are having ourselves a day out on the town. We're going out in Glasgow Central to try some local favorites.
I might eat this whole thing.
Visit a centuries-old flea market and attend a free music festival that Glasgow hosts every year in what I think is the city's best public park. So grab your umbrellas and let's have ourselves a day.
Today's Sunday, so there's a ton of activities going on throughout Glasgow. So we're headed to the city center. We're gonna check out the Barras flea market, then walk around the necropolis a bit, and finally go to the Mellow Music Festival, which only happens once a year, and we're lucky enough to be here for it, which is awesome. But first, we're gonna get some food because we're starving.
This is High Street.
Scotland weather is ridiculous. There's wind always, so you'll go from like a downpour to sunny to all of a sudden big windstorm all within like an hour, which is what we've already experienced today. I don't know if it's probably because it's this tiny little island. Gotta love Scotland weather.
Oh, we're crossing.
The place is poppin'. This is exactly what I was hoping for. Can we please get one mixed shawarma wrap? Large.
Those mixed?
Yes, please, with everything on it.
Thank you. We've made it to our lunch spot, and I know we're in Scotland, but we are not doing Scottish food to start. We saw this on Somebody Feed Phil. If you have not seen it, you need to go watch the show. It's probably the best travel food show there is, but Phil said it was his favorite shawarma he's ever had, so we had to come here. It won Best Kebab in Scotland in 2025, so let's give it a shot. Cheers. I like to judge food if it makes me smile, and put a big smile on my face. This is fantastic. So we've got shawarma, we've got some cabbage, some pickles, some onions. We asked for extra onions, and they asked some special sauces they put on it.
You know a place is good when it's pouring rain on a Sunday and everywhere else looks dead, and this place is so busy. Like packed. Hear me out, I know we've talked a lot about rainy weather, but it isn't always like this. Well, most of the time it actually is like this, but there are definitely pockets of sunshine. In fact, we had some beautiful days leading up to today, which is unfortunate for filming. However, these two parks are a must when you come to Glasgow. The first is the Botanical Gardens, a free park in the city where you can literally just walk around and enjoy the beautiful outdoors, and they've even got these ginormous greenhouses that are also free. The second one is Pollock Park, which is just a short train ride away from Glasgow Central Station. If you're lucky, you might even accidentally get to see a traditional Scottish wedding on your way in. But anyways, Pollock is this gorgeous historical estate with a free art museum and everyone's favorite, Harry Coos. So hopefully you get to experience the best of Scotland, but remember, Scotland couldn't look this green and gorgeous if it weren't for the rain.
We've just made it to the Barras flea market, and this was actually recommended to us by the homeowners that we're pet sitting for. Anytime I'm visiting a new place, if a local tells me to go somewhere, you go. It tends to be the best, coolest, most unique, most authentic place. And this is a giant flea market that's been around for over 100 years. So it should be pretty cool.
As the rain came down outside, we sought shelter inside the Barras market. It's Glasgow's oldest flea market and is home to the iconic Barrowland ballroom venue. Inside the Barras, you can shop a diverse range of unique goodies from antiques to art, clothing to homeware, toys to records, and so much more. It's open on Saturdays and Sundays and is kind of the perfect weekend activity.
The flea market is huge, but there was one place in particular that the homeowner told us we should check out. So we're headed there now. Apparently it's in like a basement setup, so we'll see what this is like. It sounded kind of sketchy, but also really funny, so hopefully it's comical. There it is.
So we've entered what appears to be like the demented doll room. This little guy's got nails coming out of his head, and a bunch of the other ones are chopped up, cut up. This is the weirdest room of this place, with the entire little areas, like kind of different sections. Like there's furniture and some nice things, and then we just kind of happened to walk into this room, and I was not expecting it to be demonic dolls, but this place is very unusual and very strange. There is a little bit of everything at Randall's Antique Shop, so if you're looking for something eclectic, a great place to find gifts, you can find all sorts of things there, so definitely recommend checking that out if you're at the Barras market. Yeah, what's his name? Toto.
You're so small!
We've left the flea market and now we're getting a little closer into the middle of the town because we're going to a music festival. That might be a bit dramatic, but
No, it is a music festival. It's not like a paid music festival. We didn't buy tickets.
It's Scotland's biggest South Asian festival. They've got 2 stages, a bunch of different bands that play until like 8 p.m., which will be the first concert that we've seen in, what was the last concert we went to?
I think probably since Denver.
Yeah, has it really been that long?
So like when we started traveling, we stopped spending money on concerts. We
Yeah.
really stopped going out and drinking.
Yeah.
And all those things were kind of cut off. So
Concerts and drinking was like our biggest expense in Denver.
and we also we love live music,
Yeah.
any kind of live music. So
We just happened to walk by when we were exploring the parks the other day, and we just saw them setting up this massive venue.
and they said Sunday, be there or be square.
This festival is happening in Kelvingrove Park, which is just this massive park in the middle of Glasgow. It's probably the nicest park and the easiest access kind of for everyone to get to. We took Shiv on a walk through here.
It's a really, really great place just to walk around. And this is where they're holding this major festival.
And it is busy.
And so we went into Glasgow Mela, Scotland's largest South Asian festival. I can't think of a better way to bring people together from all walks of life, to celebrate diversity and the people that make up the beautiful city of Glasgow that we've come to love so much over the past 2 weeks. Having recently traveled through South Asia ourselves, we felt a sense of deep connection to the cultures that we were here celebrating today.
It is way busier than I expected. It's also way bigger than I expected. We've got a whole row of food we've just walked past. There's like a legit carnival set up for all the kids. It's a really cool setup they got going on. This is cool because they had your very typical kind of concert, unhealthy food, and then they've got actual like South Asian, Indian street food stands and authentic food to go with the theme.
Assalamu alaikum! Good evening, Glasgow! Thank you. Are you ready?
As we walk into the crowd, greeted by so many friendly faces from every direction, we're reminded that no matter where we come from, we are here together, right now, celebrating life in the foods we eat, the cultures we come from, and the music we dance to.
And if you made it this far in our video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up. We'll see you in the next one.